So, welcome. IIT Delhi has launched a special course which is Masters in Arts, and that is Culture, Society, and Thought. Now, under this, let's focus on what is the syllabus and the model questions first. So, under the syllabus, it has two sections. One is the general aptitude section that includes the quantitative analysis, analytical analysis, and verbal reasoning. Then, under the subject, which is Culture, Society, and Thought, you have sections from English literature, which is the various genres, the literary criticism, then the topics of Indian philosophy, contemporary and classical, Western philosophy, again contemporary and classical, basics of sociological traditions, the various theories under sociological traditions. And if you look onto the sample questions are basically MCQ type. So you have objective paper for both the general section as well as the core section, which is the subject section. So if you go here, you can see that both of these sections have to be covered in depth. Now, if you are really preparing for this paper, you have the complete explanation here. So you can go on to the IIT Delhi section, MA Culture, Society and Thought, and then go on to the details. So you have the various topics as per the syllabus. For each of the topic, the lectures, notes, and the practice questions are mentioned here. So you can check any of those. So let's say you go on to the classical or the contemporary Western philosophy, you go on to the notes, then you would see the list of topics that are here. In each of the topic, you can click show notes and you can see the list of topics that you can prepare for. So this study material comprehensively covers all the topics which are there for the syllabus. So in case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back for more information. And yes, prepare well, your exam is coming shortly, so good luck.